Welcome to this Julio CMMS tutorial on assets. My name is Opara Eleke. After adding locations, the next thing to do is add your assets. Julio CMMS comes with 3 asset types: equipment, facility, and tools. But it lets you add as many asset types as you wish, and also lets you add subtypes to each type. Example, let's say you have a number of tractors and a number of husking machines at different locations. In this case, tractors will be a subtype and husking machines another subtype of equipment, or what have you. Okay, let's go to the form. We have 5 tabs in all. Only 4 fields are required: name, location, type, and status. Media image is the default image representing this item. Second tab is for other images associated with this location, with this asset. Let's add one, but you can add as many as you like. You can also add associated documents to this item by drag and drop and by selection. The next tab is log history, and that tells you a history of all CMMS activities on this asset. Permission lets you set who sees this item and do Joomla operations on it. When you are done, you can then save. Save button saves it and returns this same item in the form for editing. Save and close saves it but returns you to the assets list page. Save and new saves it but returns a fresh form for you to add another item. Cancel returns you to the list without saving or effecting any changes. When you are back to the list, all new assets will be in unpublished state, which means they are not available. Click on a publish button to publish corresponding items, or select a number of items and publish at once. The geolocations button shows all the assets locations on the map. Let's have a look. Thank you.